geometric series. Now we're going to sum up a sequence. If you sum up a sequence in sigma notation, you are using the sigma followed by your pattern. Whatever variable you put down there, you put in your exponent. Or if you're calculating it by hand, you can calculate it this way. Find the following sum. Okay, so I know this is my a sub 1. Oh, nope, that's my base. So that must be my r. My a sub 1 must be 1, since it's understood out front. So that's going to mean my a sub 1 is 1 times 1 minus r to the n. How many terms am I trying to add up? 7 over 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 to the 7th is negative 127 over negative 1 equals positive 127. Something special about geometric series is that if it goes to infinity, you can find the sum as long as your r is less than 1, meaning, or the absolute value of r. Meaning you're multiplying by a fraction. The number you're getting in your sequence is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It's going to approach a sum. Okay, so to find this is my a1, this is my r. So I can put my 5 over my 1 minus 1/2. 5 over a half would be 10. So although I'm going to infinity, eventually I'm going to get to 10. And the decimals are going to be so small. Let's see, this one, I got my a sub 1. I need to get my r. My numbers are getting smaller. I can find a sum. Looks like every time I go, I'm dividing by 10. So that would mean my r is 1/10. So a1 would be 5 over 1 minus 1/10. 5 over 9/10 would be 5 times 10 over 9. So that would be 50 over 9. Or 5.5 repeating. Okay, real life situation. I start with $100. I make 6% on my balance every month, and I deposit $100 every month. What's my balance after 4 years? Okay, so I started with $100, so there's my first month's balance. To get my second month's balance, I take my 100 that I had in there. I'm going to add on 100 times 0.06 because I'm going to gain 6% of whatever 100 that is, and I'm also going to add 100 more to deposit in there. So what's that give me? 100 plus 100 times 0.06 plus 100. Now I've got $206. A sub 3 means I'm taking 206, adding on 206 times 0.06, and depositing another 100. Now I have 318.36, and one more time. 318.36 plus 318.36, 6% of that, plus another $100. Now I've got $436.98. There is a formula that goes along with this, a summation of a geometric sequence, but it is complicated, and usually it's easier just to go month by month. It's not that bad.